So I'll show you how to make my temporary hot box at home. This is a tiered cake box. You can take any cardboard box or anything that you have available to you. I find this very easy and convenient. I'll tell you why. This is where I will be keeping all my flowers, petals, whatever I need to dry. On top, where these handles are there, I have a bulb and a socket. Okay, so this bulb is attached to the socket and the wire in turn. I'll be tying or taping this bulb over here. So connect this bulb to the switchboard and switch it on, and once it is on, the heat will start emitting. Be sure that this is not a LED bulb. You want a regular bulb. A 60 watt bulb or 50 watt bulb is also sufficient. But take care that the flowers or the petals are not kept too close to the bulb. Keep a distance of at least about 6 to 7 inches or more if that's possible. And then you can keep your petals or the arrangement or the flowers in this to dry. So hope these tips were helpful to you, and if you have any questions, definitely contact me and I'll be glad to help out. Thank you so much.